Welcome to our deep dive on cost optimization in batch versus online inference. Today, we'll explore strategies to minimize expenses while maintaining high performance in your machine learning models. You'll gain practical tips on reducing costs without sacrificing accuracy.
Did you know that optimizing inference processes can cut your machine learning costs by up to 70%? Welcome to our video on how to optimize costs in batch versus online inference. In this session, we'll uncover the secrets to reducing expenses while maintaining performance. Whether you're working with batch processing or real-time online inference, understanding the cost drivers can revolutionize your approach. Stay tuned as we reveal the strategies, tools, and case studies that can transform your operations. To optimize costs effectively, start by identifying the key cost drivers in your inference processes. These typically include the complexity of the model, the size and frequency of data inputs, and the infrastructure required to support the operations. Fixed costs, such as hardware investment, contrast with variable costs like cloud computing fees, which can fluctuate based on usage. The more complex the model, the more computational power it requires, leading to higher costs. Similarly, larger data inputs can increase processing time, impacting overall expenses. By understanding these components, you can begin to strategize cost-saving measures. Reducing computational costs is crucial for both batch and online inference. One effective strategy is model pruning, which involves removing unnecessary parameters without sacrificing accuracy. Quantization can also improve efficiency by converting models to use lower precision data types. Consider using low-cost computing instances, especially in the cloud, to cut expenses. Batch processing can help distribute the load, optimizing resource use. In online inference, focus on reducing latency to improve response times and lower costs. By applying these techniques, you can achieve significant savings in computational expenses. Finding the right balance between model accuracy and cost efficiency is a delicate task. While high accuracy is crucial, it often comes at a higher cost due to increased computational needs. Visualizing a cost versus accuracy curve can help identify the sweet spot where performance is maximized without excessive spending. Simplifying models can lower costs, but it's essential to test rigorously to ensure performance isn't compromised. Continuous monitoring allows for dynamic adjustments, keeping your operations efficient and effective. Striking this balance ensures you get the best of both worlds, robust models at a reasonable cost.
Cloud services offer an unparalleled opportunity for cost-effective scaling in machine learning inference. Their flexibility allows for dynamic resource allocation, ensuring you pay only for what you use. Selecting the right cloud provider is crucial. Factors to consider include pricing models, availability zones, and service offerings. Many providers offer scalable solutions with varying cost structures, such as pay-as-you-go or reserved instances, which can lead to significant savings. A case study demonstrates a company that reduced its inference costs by 40% by strategically leveraging cloud resources. Embracing cloud services can be a game changer for cost optimization.
Exploring real-world case studies can offer valuable insights into cost optimization in batch inference. For instance, one company reduced its batch processing costs by 50% by implementing model pruning and leveraging low-cost cloud instances. Another organization streamlined its data pipeline, improving processing efficiency and cutting costs by 30%. These examples highlight the effectiveness of various strategies and their impact on business scalability. By learning from these success stories, you can replicate their results in your context, adapting techniques to suit your specific needs.
Online inference presents unique challenges and opportunities for cost optimization. A successful case involved a company that cut its real-time inference costs by 60% by optimizing its data processing pipeline and implementing efficient load balancing. Another firm improved its response time while reducing expenses by 40% through model simplification and latency reduction techniques. These case studies demonstrate the potential for significant savings while maintaining high performance. By adopting scalable solutions tailored to your needs, you can transform your operations, achieving both speed and cost efficiency.
Utilizing the right tools and frameworks is essential for effective cost monitoring and reduction. Tools like AWS Cost Explorer, Google Cloud's Cost Management, and Azure Cost Management provide real-time insights into your spending patterns. Frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch offer built-in capabilities for model optimization, aiding in cost efficiency. Integrating these tools into your workflows ensures seamless tracking and adjustment, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By leveraging feedback and analytics, you can make informed decisions, driving down costs while maintaining high performance.
The future of cost-efficient inference technologies is promising, with several emerging trends set to revolutionize the field. Advancements in AI and machine learning are paving the way for more efficient models, reducing computational demands. Sustainable and energy-efficient solutions are gaining traction, aligning with global sustainability goals. Innovations in hardware acceleration, such as specialized chips, are further enhancing processing capabilities while lowering costs. By staying ahead of these trends, you can future-proof your machine learning strategies, ensuring they remain cost-effective and competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape.
We've covered a comprehensive range of strategies to optimize costs in batch and online inference. From identifying cost drivers to leveraging cloud services, each technique offers unique benefits. Remember, ongoing optimization is key to long-term success. We encourage you to apply these strategies and share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know what topics you'd like us to explore next. Together, we can continue to innovate and achieve excellence in cost-efficient machine learning.